What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on these analysis. We're going to be looking at SOFI today. As you can see, we're looking good. We're starting to get that break back through this horizontal level of support and resistance, hopefully acting as support. At one point, we want to see this move above here, retest, and make it back to the top of this range. So that's what we're in the middle of right now. Hopefully this does not turn into a wick and turns into rejection, because the other scenario could be pushing up to here, getting rejected, and making it back to the bottom of this range. When you look at the SMAs, we're looking pretty good. We are above the 20 SMA on the weekly. Last time we broke above the 20-week SMA, we got a significant move to the upside. So let's see if that's what's coming now. We did fall underneath it, fell underneath the 50 and the 200, made our way all the way back, and we're now back above the 20. So this is looking extremely bullish right now on the weekly. On the daily, we're also looking bullish. Kind of the same scenario. We're above the 20, breaking through this horizontal level of support. So if we can close above this horizontal level of support, get a retest and push up higher, price can really start ramping from here. But we're looking good. On the daily, we did finally get a close above the 20, and we're closed within the horizontal level of support. And on the RSI, we finally broke above our yellow moving average. We got a nice bottoming pattern, creating higher highs and higher lows. Now we have a steep move to the upside. Let's see if we get a little bit of resistance here at 60.82, and eventually can make it to the top of this move and back to the 70 overbought territory. That's here on the daily. Here on the weekly, creating a nice little bull flag, and let's see if we can make that move all the way to the 70 overbought territory like we saw here for a nice extended move. But overall, the nature of this is looking extremely bullish on the RSI and on the technicals. On the weekly MACD, we saw the decrease in volume to the downside, looking amazing, and we're about to get that green flip any moment now. And the blue is starting to run up to the orange. So once you get that flip, that's going to be increasingly bullish as well, showing very strong momentum to the upside. And here on the daily, we're still very bullish. Minor pullback, but that's a nice little reset for price to continue up to the upside. So SOFI is looking extremely bullish at the moment. Everything's pointing towards the upside on the daily and weekly timeframes, which is what we typically look at here on this channel. We like to have a longer term mindset, 5 to 10 years. You can see we had a significant drawdown to the 786, which is the second to last line in the sand. 886 is the last line in the sand for a bullish move. As you move down the sequence, it gets more bearish. And as you move up the sequence, it gets increasingly bullish. So as you can see, we made it back above the golden zone. We got a retest off of it, and now we're pushing to 382. Hopefully we can continue to move up and break these wicks here to make it to the 236 and back to all-time highs. Overall, though, SOFI is a great addition to your portfolio. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Buy this at your own risk, but you could potentially make a significant amount of money as this company can continue to grow at a rapid pace over the next 5 to 10 years. Like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think about SOFI, share with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one.